Hello and welcome. Are you living in Germany, in Munich particularly? And are you a student? Are you looking for a free cycle? Because if you are living in Germany, then traveling from one place to another will be very easy if you have one cycle. But the thing is, buying a new cycle worth it or not? I'll just quickly tell you, because there is another option already available, an online option. You can go register there and get the cycles at a very cheap cost, which is almost free. So I'll quickly tell you the application, the process, how to get it, and I'll just show you how to get the cycle or how to park it and where to park it. Okay, so let's start.
Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to the Play Store and just install an application which is MVGo. And the good thing is that this application, can carry your Deutschland ticket also. You can show your Deutschland ticket using this application only. So just install this application and prepare your enrollment certificate also, because you need to upload the certificate of your enrollment of the university, and then you will get the discount price for the cycles also, for the bikes or e-bikes renting. You can rent it at cheap price if you have your certificate with yourself. If you don't have it, if you are working or something, even though you can just rent it out, it won't cost too much. It's still a good price or genuine price. So while using this app, next, let's go. Something in German, I don't know, and I don't want to read it, just accept it. Save it. Now you can see the e-bikes, scooters, the train stops, everything in just single application. This is the wonderful application, I would say. Let's suppose you only want to see the cycles nearby or the e-bikes nearby, so you can click on that and you can see that here is the e-bike, and you can click on the bicycle and you can sign in and use it. So first let's sign in out, and I would suggest to sign in using your college email ID. Instead of using your Gmail, I would say to use your the college email ID, and it would be a good option. Let me log in first and I'll show you. Okay, I forgot my password, I think. Just give me a sec. Yeah, so once you're logged in, you can just go and add your payment method from here. You can add the payment method, and it will just be, you just have to pay some amount, around maybe 12 euro if I'm not wrong. For a student it's just 12 euros for 365 days. So for 365 days, in just 12 euros, you can use an e-bike, this kind of bike which you can see on the screen, for nearly 30 minutes every day. And if you just cross the 30 minutes, then they will charge 0.05 euros per minute. So this is the best option, I would say. And this doesn't contain, this do not have actually the battery, so it's also kind of exercise also. You can just ride and do exercise. You can also rent the e-bikes having the batteries. Let me show you, like this one, like the scooters, on which you can just stand and just enjoy the ride. But the thing is, they cost a little more than the usual e-bikes. Let me show you how much it costs. They actually cost 0.24 euros per minute instead of 0.05 as it was earlier. And initially they will charge 0.75 euros as a safety or something, and thereafter this much amount per minute. Okay, so this is a bit expensive, but the cheapest option available is this one, which is 12 euros for 1 year, and you can use for 30 minutes daily. And if you the good thing is, if you stand this bicycle at the cycle stand, then you will get 5 minutes extra, and that 5 minutes is you can use anytime. It's forever. If you use it only apart from 30 minutes, then only it will be exhausted. Otherwise you can use it anytime. And there are 2 cycles you can get from Envigo, right? And this tier in this e-bikes option, and in this scooters option there are again two options available, tier and VOI. And you can also see the latest or the nearby U-Bahns, bus, trams, S-Bahns, Bahns nearby. And you can also rent it out, the cars. The car rentings are also available on this application. So everything is available at just a single place and at a cheap cost. And talking about the tickets, so you can go to the tickets and just let me show you here. Via email, via push notification. Should you inform you monthly about the availability of new mobile driver class? Yeah, it's okay. Done. And here is the Deutschland ticket. You can transfer it here. So you can see here is the Deutschland ticket of 29 euros, which is in my phone now. So this application is very necessary. You need to have this application when you are moving in Germany, and you can rent the e-bikes at the cheapest cost. And let me show you how to get it from the e-stations. Okay. You can find this kind of stations from place to place, and you can see and find this in your application also, the nearest station or the nearest cycle. Are you looking for a free cycle in Germany? So here they are. Okay, so basically you have to go to Envigo application, open the scanner, scan it, then you'll see how long you need to rent. Put the pin on the bicycle, click on OK, wait for it to be unlocked, and once it's unlocked you can simply take your bike. Simple. So, don't you think it's simple? It's actually simple, and actually it's also free. Enjoy a ride. The best thing of cycle is and on the right side it's a gear. You can change the gear whenever and however you want.
Simply to return this bicycle, you only have to put this rod in the front tire and then click OK, and that's it. It's done. Let me show you the condition of these bicycles in the winters, so you can see how beautiful it looks.